Once upon a time, in a small, picturesque town, there lived a young person named Lima. They were a quiet and introspective soul, content in the company of books and art. But all of that changed the day they met Alex. It was a crisp autumn afternoon when Lima first laid eyes on Alex. They were sitting alone in the park, sketching the falling leaves when a soft voice interrupted their concentration. "That's a beautiful drawing," Alex said, smiling warmly. Lima looked up, their hearts skipping a beat at the sight of the stranger with kind eyes. They struck up a conversation that day, discussing their shared love for art and the way the world seemed to transform with every stroke of a paintbrush. As weeks turned into months, Lima and Alex's connection grew stronger. They spent countless hours together, exploring the town, sharing dreams and secrets, and discovering the intricacies of each other's souls. Lima found themselves falling in love, and it was a feeling unlike any other they had experienced. But love, as beautiful as it was, wasn't without its challenges. Lima and Alex came from different backgrounds, and their families didn't quite understand their connection. Yet, they were determined to defy the odds and be together. Their first kiss under the starry night sky was a moment etched into Lima's memory forever. It felt like the world stood still as their lips met, and it was in that moment that Lima knew they had found their first love. As the years passed, Lima and Alex's love only deepened. They faced obstacles and triumphs together, supporting each other through the ups and downs of life. Through it all, their love remained unwavering and true. Lima often reflected on that fateful autumn day in the park, the day they met Alex, their first love. It was a love that shaped their life, teaching them the beauty of connection, the power of love, and the importance of cherishing the moments that truly matter. As the seasons changed and years went by, Lima and Alex's love story continued to unfold. They shared countless adventures, from traveling to far-off places to exploring hidden treasures in their own town. Every moment spent together was a cherished memory, and their love seemed to grow stronger with each passing day. Lima's art blossomed, inspired by their love for Alex and the beauty they found in the world around them. They painted the vivid landscapes of their travels and the tender moments they shared, creating a visual diary of their love story. Alex, on the other hand, pursued a career in environmental conservation, driven by their passion for preserving the natural world they so often explored together. Lima's support and encouragement fueled Alex's determination to make a positive impact on the environment. Their love was not without challenges, but they faced them together. When doubts or disagreements arose, they communicated openly, strengthening their bond. It was a love built on trust, respect, and a deep understanding of each other's hopes and dreams. One sunny afternoon, in the same park where they first met, Lima and Alex exchanged vows in a simple yet heartfelt ceremony surrounded by friends and family. Their love story had come full circle, from a chance encounter by an autumn tree to a lifelong commitment under the warmth of the sun. As the years turned into decades, Lima and Alex continued to write their love story, adding chapters of joy, sorrow, and resilience. They celebrated anniversaries, watched their children grow, and supported each other through life's challenges. Their love remained a constant source of inspiration, a reminder of the magic that can happen when two hearts collide. Lima often thought about that first love, a love that had transformed their world, enriched their lives, and shown them the incredible power of connection. It was a love that would forever be etched in their hearts, a testament to the enduring beauty of a love story that began with a simple compliment in a quiet park.